Welcome back, everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we're going to swap out these dull bulbs for some brighter ones for your cargo area. This is on a 2016 Ram 2500. It's cheap to do, and I'll link all the stuff down below so you can swap out as many bulbs as you want. We did a bunch on this truck. Now this will carry over from 2010 to 2027. Sorry, 27, no, 17. So I'm going to show you everything you need to do, how you need to do it. Now these are going to be hot, so make sure you have those off for a minute before you go grabbing them if they are on, because they warm up very, very quick. LED bulbs don't warm up hardly at all, so this will be super easy. Before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button, helps a small channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell. Head over to the channel and check out all the great stuff we did on this truck, including how we're bringing it back to glory. So first things first, we're going to go shut these lights off, and you need a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, once you take the two Phillips head screws out, this will just pop out. Always check and make sure your seal's good. That's that foam right there. We're gonna get this garbage cleaned up before we go crazy. But you can also swap out your third brake light here with an LED so you have more illumination. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this, but you don't have to. I'm gonna disconnect it from right here just for cleaning up purposes. All right, as we can see here, guys, these are 921 bulbs, and they do get hot. See how that's discolored in there? Where did I set that other bulb at? So we can see here just how hot it's gotten within itself. You can get 912s, and they'll snap in there, and they are 10 times brighter. And you're just going to take them out one by one, counterclockwise, and snap them in. All right, we got all three bulbs in. This is going to be less. I mean, it comes in a set of 10 typically. So this whole swap out is going to cost less than $10, and you'll have enough to do your reverse lights and most likely your license plate bracket, unless you want to put like 194s in there. But we got it all cleaned up, and we're going to snap it back together and turn on the cargo lamps. And as you can see, now we have crisp light. If before you screw them in though, while you're checking them, for some reason they don't come on, some of these outlets in some of the vehicles, you have to pull the bulb out, turn it 180, plug it back in to reverse the polarity, and we're golden. So we're going to check that third brake light real quick and then put it back together. Other than that, guys, that's it. A less than 10-minute job. Clean it up real nice, get that dirt out of that seal, and you can make your truck that much brighter at night. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.